Hi, my name is Gabriel Sauma, SAWMA. I'm professor of Middle East constitutional law and Islamic law. Also, expert consultant on Islamic divorce in U.S. courts, and that includes custody of the children, abduction of the children, and the mahar agreements, as well as the recognition and enforcement of Islamic foreign divorce in U.S. courts. Today, I'll be talking about custody of the children in the state of Oman, and this is governed by law number 32 of 1997, known as the Personal Status Law of Oman, in Arabic قانون الأحوال الشخصية في عمان. Accordingly, custody is the preservation, upbringing, and care of a child in a manner that does not conflict with the role of the guardian. In a separate episode, I'll be talking about the differences between guardianship and the role of the custodian. According to Article 126 of the Personal Status Law, the custodian must have the following qualifications: sound mind, puberty, taking care of the children, ability to raise the child, maintain and care for him, and safety from dangerous infectious diseases. If the custodian is a woman, she should not be married to a husband who is not related to the child unless the court decides otherwise, taking into consideration the interest of the child. If the custodian is a man, he should be married to a woman who is suitable for custody. And also, he should have a forbidden kinship to the child if the child is a girl. If the custodian is of a different religion from the child's father, her custody is forfeited when the child reaches the age of 7, unless the court decides otherwise, taking into account the interest of the child. Custody of the children continues until the age of 7 for the boy, and for the girl until puberty, unless the judge determines otherwise, taking into account the interest of the child. If the parents are separated, custody go to the mother, then to the father, then to the mother's mother, then to the mother's sister, then to the father's mother. The custodian may not travel outside the country with the child without permission of his guardian, unless the court decides otherwise. Divorce and child custody disputes in Oman among Muslims are adjudicated exclusively in Islamic Sharia courts, which will apply principles of Islamic law. Foreign custody orders are not recognized or enforced in Oman if they contradict Oman personal status law. And finally, Oman is not a party to the Hague Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction, nor are there any international or bilateral treaties between the US and Oman regarding dealing with international parental child abduction. The Hague Convention seeks to return children abducted or retained by a parent to their country of habitual residence. For more information about this topic, you may email me or visit my website as shown below. And thank you.